My name is Greg Stevenson and I welcome you to Diabetic Strong. In this country right now, we are facing an epidemic of mass proportion. As we look at the effects of diabetes, it's more than just a little high blood sugar. It will damage and destroy every organ and tissue in the body. One of the biggest issues and problems with diabetes is at the point in which your doctor officially diagnoses you with diabetes, you have already spent 5, 10, or 15 years doing significant damage to the body. There are early warning signs to the disease, and if you can catch them early, it will keep you from traveling down this debilitative path. Diabetic Strong is a program to help type 2 and pre-diabetics reverse their diabetes, and type 1 to manage their blood sugar to as close to as normal as possible. For more information on Diabetic Strong or to join our weekly blog, please go to diabeticstrong.com. Thank you.